Drug trafficking, arms trafficking, cybercrimes. These are transnational crimes highlighted at the National Security Ministry's Cyber Smart Conference. As Romardo Lyons reports, Jamaica has not been spared.
Crimes without borders. In essence, crimes done across multiple countries. Assistant Commissioner of Police Dr. Anthony McLaughlin is head of CTOC. He says through transactional crimes, small arms and light weapons continue to pose a major challenge in Jamaica. This, he added, is reflected in the country's murder rate.
We're looking at over 5.3 billion US dollars. Right. And, the list goes on. He
says lottery scamming has also evolved. Prior to 2018, players in lottery scamming would send money into Jamaica. Today, it's not necessarily money being sent.
What they do is to have a person within the United States, and they are going in the other Caribbean countries as well, and they remit those monies to Japan, where they buy used cars, and then they ship those used cars to Jamaica. So if you look, you would have seen a prevalence of used car dealers in Jamaica. That's one of the reasons. I'm not saying that's the main reason, but that's one of the reasons, because the monies cannot come to Jamaica again. It cannot come in barrels, in suitcase, and it cannot come through the remittance companies. So what they do is to send it through to Japan, where they would buy the vehicles and then send them here, then resell those vehicles to make their money.
It's the same with guns.
Most of the firearms that we find on the wharves are for gangs, but quite a number of them is for resale.
Now, cybercrimes have also been on the rise. Trevor Forrest, CEO of 876 Technology Solutions, says they're projected to reach a total value of $10 trillion this year. This is because more criminals are using advanced technology to target more unsuspecting people.
And they're using these innovative and nefarious ways to get it. So, phishing, where you get emails and other communications, whether it be on your computer, your mobile phone, is designed to extract stuff from you. And it's a lot easier to do that sitting in front of a computer in an AC room than going out and robbing a Brinks truck.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.